very high priority here, I think.
Yeah. This is only
This kind of monitoring
consequence.
only.
Consequence is what is consequence? What will be consequence? Potential or pressure? Because it is tripping also. What we can work, what we can do?
Yeah, there's no trip there.
No trip, no action.
No action. It's just a monitoring.
Yeah. So we can say it's not alarm is not required here.
Remove.
Yeah, remove the alarm. Yeah. I'm happy. I'm saying yes. It is not.
Yeah, because
But
it's
it is
nothing, right?
abnormal.
Even
But
in the HACCP, it is not even mentioned. Yeah.
yeah, true, very true. What is your opinion? You have no abnormal condition for this one.
Yeah, let me just. Do we have the traits, for example? Yeah. Yeah. Let's just. I just want to see whether there is a high pressure alarm on the existing system,
Yeah.
which we just copied and close the eyes,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, sure. Simply copy and paste.
Yeah. No, because as such, there is no really requirement for this alarm.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Low pressure, probably okay, because we want to know, okay, we lose the pressure or we lose the pressure coming, the fuel gas coming from the fuel gas system. But high, there's no cost for high. This is coming from the header.
Yep.
And we are not the only users here.
Yep.
This upset upstream of. Yeah, maybe we can say like this. Because this is the only thing we can say.
But what is the action? What action you need from the process upset to prevent process upset, right?
Yeah, then
Potential process upset consequence. What is the action of the operator? A review.
consequence of inaction on alarm.
Process upset only.
Yes.
Also there.
Also there, huh? Okay.
Process upset.
Their location is more reasonable and to the downstream of the.
That's what I'm saying. Should be downstream of the. Yeah.
So
But is it downstream of the PCB?
Yeah, downstream of the MCB. This one.
Yes, actually, they should be like that.
Should be.
I'm sorry to say.
Somewhere?
Downstream of the PCB. It should be like that so that we will know there's some issue, right?
okay, if you see here, I'm saying potential process upset, but